Not all tree jobs require a chainsaw. These gentlemen are actually going to use a handsaw to pass up to one another. If you take an observation, they take great care in their use of safety cords and harnesses to ensure the safety of themselves, but also the safety of the process of how the limbs are going to fall. Actually, I think it's a pretty genius idea, and they explained it to me quite well. They got this genius way of using their lassos to pass each other tools as well. Passing themselves the saw they're going to use to cut this. And again, even that, they've got a double safety in and of itself. And as a result of having the safety harnesses, they were in full control of these limbs and branches, and they get it to fall exactly where they wanted to fall. So it falls actually in a safe spot. Great work.